If you're seeing OneDrive error code 5, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error usually happens when OneDrive doesn't have permission to access a file or folder, or when Windows is blocking OneDrive from making changes. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try, and most of the time, one of them will get your syncing working again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, we're going to run OneDrive as administrator. To do that, close OneDrive completely if it's open. Then press Windows and S on your keyboard and type OneDrive into the search bar. When OneDrive appears in the search results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This gives OneDrive the elevated permissions it may need to sync properly. Once it opens, check whether the error is gone and see if your files start syncing again. If the issue is still there, the next thing to do is restart OneDrive. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray near the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click the icon and select Quit OneDrive. After that, open the Start menu and launch OneDrive again. This simple restart can clear temporary glitches and refresh the connection to your files. Once OneDrive starts back up, try syncing again and see if the problem has been fixed. If error code 5 continues, you should check the file permissions on the affected file or folder. Open File Explorer and find the file or folder that OneDrive is having trouble with. Right-click it and choose Properties. Then go to the Security tab. Here, make sure your account has full control, or at least the correct permissions to edit and access the item. If you need to make changes, apply them. Then click OK. Incorrect permissions are one of the most common reasons OneDrive gets blocked from syncing, so this step is very important. Still not working? Then it's time to reset OneDrive. Press Windows and R to open the Run box. In the field, type C, programfiles.microsoft-onedrive.exe/reset, and press Enter. After you do that, wait about 2 minutes so OneDrive has time to reset in the background. Once the waiting period is over, open OneDrive again from the Start menu. A reset can clear deeper sync problems and refresh the app's internal settings without deleting your files. Now, if OneDrive is finally working again, that's great. But keep an eye on your files and make sure everything finishes syncing properly. If one fix didn't work, try the next one, because sometimes the problem is tied to permissions, and sometimes it's just a temporary OneDrive glitch. The key is to go through these steps in order until the error disappears. If this video helped you fix OneDrive error code 5, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.